Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yewande Oshogbiye, and in this video I'll be giving you guys the tip on what to do if your video got stuck while uploading to YouTube. So I was uploading to YouTube and my video got stuck. First of all, I'll go to my video and I'll click on my manage video to be able to see the uploads that is going on right now. So this upload has been on 95 for a while now, and I've actually stayed for like 20 minutes seeing if it was network. I'm just going to refresh, because sometimes when you refresh it might just be a stock number and it might have passed that stage, but now that I've refreshed, I am sure that is on 95. So the next thing I'm going to do right now, there are two ways to solve problem like this. The first one is to go to your YouTube studio and correct it there. The second option is actually to switch off your phone and turn it on back, going back to the app, and it will actually continue. Just to double check, so I'm leaving the app right now and I'm using my browser Chrome, and also I'm going to the YouTube studio section to check if it's actually in my YouTube studio, because you have to check if the video is in your YouTube studio. If the video is not in your YouTube studio, definitely it was an error from the beginning. So I'm in my YouTube studio right now and I'm going to refresh to see if it's going to move. I just refreshed now and I found out that it actually still stuck in my YouTube studio. So the next step is actually, like I said, to switch off and on my phone, and that's what I'm going to do right now. So I just turned on my phone now and I'm going to check my YouTube. Going to my page right now and I'll click on manage video, and it is still stuck at 95. So definitely there is a big error in the upload. So the next step right now is to go through the second route, which is deleting the video and uploading the video. And I'm sure you're like, what? So am I going to lose all my information, data, upload? No. Deleting and uploading again using your YouTube studio from your browser saves you all your information, in the sense that YouTube gives you 24 hours to upload the same file and it will continue from where it stops. So right now I'm just going to delete through my YouTube studio. Click on the video and click on delete forever, and it's not going to delete forever, trust me. It's just going to delete the file, and if you upload the same file it will continue from where it stops. So I'm going to tick on I understand the native harmony can be not be undone, and I'm going to delete forever. And the video is gone. So after doing that, the next thing is to go immediately to the create a video, upload the video. Sorry, this is a mistake. Create a video, upload a video, select the file. So click on the same exact file from your photo library. It's going to prepare to upload. And it will upload straight, and the file will pop up like this. It's preparing it and it's going to just continue from 95. However, I noticed it after a while that it did not continue from 95. So definitely this was an error or a break in the upload right from the beginning, because I noticed from the beginning it repeated 1 to 20 upload twice. Well, I mean 1 to 20% of the upload twice. So once you are uploading and you notice the upload has been taken back and forth with figures, please just delete and upload again. Now the upload has continued and it's going to 100%. Hope this video was useful to you. If it is, please give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Till I come your way next, please be blessed. Bye.